In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money selling AI art on Payhip. This step-by-step guide is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring that you maximize both your creativity and your earnings from the get-go. So, let's dive right in. The first step in this exciting venture is to create your art using your preferred AI tool. Whichever software or platform you choose, be sure to experiment and discover what styles or themes resonate with your creative vision. Once you're satisfied with the results, export high-quality files of your final artwork. These high-resolution files are crucial because they'll serve as the product you'll be selling. Before you proceed, it's paramount to check the licensing terms of the AI tool you've used. You need to ensure that commercial use is permitted. Most platforms provide a licensing agreement, which you should read carefully. Save any necessary documentation or agreements that verify your right to sell your art. This will not only protect you, but will also give your buyers peace of mind. Next, think about how you want to license the use of your art to customers. Decide whether you'll offer personal or commercial usage rights, or perhaps both. Consider whether you are allowing modifications. Clearly defined licensing terms not only help manage customer expectations, but also help protect your intellectual property. With your files and documentation ready, head over to Payhip to upload your product. Once you're there, select Add New Product, and then choose Digital Download or Digital Art. Payhip will guide you through the process of setting up your product listings. Be sure to include all the vital details about your artwork. A relevant and attention-grabbing title is a must. Your description should be as descriptive as possible, highlighting what makes your artwork special or unique. Don't forget to add a high-resolution preview image. Providing a preview is a great way to showcase your art, but I suggest using a watermarked version to prevent unauthorized use. This allows potential buyers to get a feel for the art without giving away the full-resolution version. It's crucial to set the right file formats for your digital art. Options often include PNG or JPG, but some buyers might prefer vector files if your artwork supports it. If necessary, offer multiple file formats or dimensions to cater to different customer needs. Don't skip the step of enabling protection measures for your downloads. Limit download counts per purchase and use unique links. This prevents unauthorized sharing and ensures that only paying customers access your art. Finally, set your pricing. Consider offering variations based on different sizes or licensing terms. Competitive pricing can help maximize your sales without undervaluing your hard work. And that's it. By following these steps, you can establish a successful online gallery of AI artwork on Payhip, tapping into a global market of art enthusiasts and collectors.